Well, just got paid today. Got me a pocket full of change.
Welcome back to, well, to the continuation of Heavy Metal Love, guys. Couldn't fit it all in, obviously. But anyways, let's just keep moving on here. You recognize behind me, we see Title Tractor. That's our local dealership here, where we get all our case stuff taken care of. But besides that, we're here with Bragg's Farm. There are two carrot seeders, John Deere carrot seeders, and have fun. Anyways, guys, we're moving on to the next one. It's Monday morning, and I think it's the 1st of May. We're here at the farm. It's raining out. I'm getting ready to grease the straw chopper. Got my stuff on the back of the truck here right now to do that with. Yeah, that's basically what's going on here at the home farm. Brent is down welding at the other shop. Look at this stuff. Didn't even have to touch it this year. Didn't even hook on to the snow blower. Didn't even hook on to the snow blade. Haven't used it in 2 years now. Cha-ching. Or actually, not 2 years. I guess 1 year. But that's pretty good. We didn't have to use it, so. Tell me global warming isn't a real thing. Alright, guys. Here we go. Welcome back, guys. Running around the valley, catching all you farmers. Sometimes this isn't a very hard thing to do. I can do it from my back doorstep. But beautiful view. It's been raining. You can see the rain out there on the water. We ain't scared of no rain. Alright. On to the next one, guys. Alright, guys. It's beautiful views like this as I drive around and head out to look for you guys over the valley floor and stuff. Again, mentioned Fuller Family Farms and everything, right, guys? We get to run and try to find you guys so you can see yourselves from a few feet in the air and everything. I get to see a lot of the countryside here too. And sometimes I sit back and enjoy that a little bit too, as I'm venturing out and looking for people. So, alright, guys, just want to let you know that, you know, do a fair amount of driving. But you don't get views like that, right? Sitting home. Well, I guess you do if you're sitting home watching Another Day, Another Dollar. But, if you're from far away, the valley's a beautiful place to come see. Nova Scotia's great, but the valley's more like the hidden charm. They try to say Cape Breton, but that's just a scam because they got nothing else going on in Cape Breton. Anyways, see you guys. Not very often you get to film one of these internationals. Old internationals going, and I heard they got her all GPS and everything right up. So, old tractor, still new technology in it. And we're still here in Canning shooting on the dike lands. There's the dike there. Water comes in from the ocean. It comes up here, stops right up here around this dam. Then the river going into Canning, as you guys will see in shots. But anyways, on to our next shot. We'll see who else we can get, guys. Brandon's looking good. Brandon Els, guys. Brandon Els. Big East. Jim Ansom's John Deere. Planting, I don't know what, but they're planting. And off he goes down the road. He got her done quick, I can tell you that. God bless those tractors. Off we go. Coyote going in the middle of the daytime. Huh.
Brought to you by Fuller Family Farms, where we take pride in growing your chicken.
And welcome back, guys. This is it. This is at the end for just our regular spring episode here. Obviously, I'm filming for the special too. Make sure to check that out too, guys. That'll be out within the next couple days. Thanks for the farms that are in this one. We have Bragg's Farm, Mason View Farms. Trying to remember everyone right now. It's just hard to remember all you guys. It's been a couple weeks here to shoot. But thanks for all the support. Thanks for all things Annapolis Valley and farm machinery of all ages and styles. That's pretty much everything, guys. I'm Morgan Steele, and enjoy the video.
Picture yourself sleeping on a plane. There's something ticking in the overhead and inside your brains. There's bodies in the water and bodies in your basement. If heaven's for clean people, it's vacant. Hey, you know. Hey, you're being careful. Hey, you're lukewarm. Hey, yeah, you are. I'm frantic, so load me up. Whatever puts me all the way out. Whatever puts me all the way out. Picture yourself swimming in an ocean 1,000,000 miles from nowhere. Loose phone. There's bodies in the water floating all around you, and all of them are talking, and they're comedians. Hey, you know. Hey, you're special. Hey, you're different. Hey, yeah, you are. I'm frantic, so load me up. They seem so practiced. Me this up. Whatever puts me all the way out. Whatever puts me all the way out. Yeah. Picture yourself, the MGM Grand. Murphy's fighting Arkham, you're in the stands, and somebody